Dashamudras of Durga. First mudra, Pashamudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Pashamudram, Pradarshya. Second mudra, Ankusha mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Ankusha mudram, Pradarshya. Third mudra, Varamudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Varamudram, Pradarshya. Fourth mudra, Abhaya mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Abhaya mudram, Pradarshya. Fifth mudra, Khadga mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Khadga mudram, Pradarshya. Sixth mudra, Charma mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Charma mudram, Pradarshya. Seventh mudra, Dhanu mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Dhanu mudram, Pradarshya. Eighth mudra, Bana mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Bana mudram, Pradarshya. Ninth mudra, known as Samrakshani mudra, also known as Mushala mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Samrakshani mudram, Pradarshya. 10th mudra, called Durga mudra, also known as Daurgi mudra. Aim, Hreem, Kleem, Durga mudram, Pradarshya.